Let's break out of the box and into triangles with this easy granny triangle tutorial. This pattern is perfect for making bunting as well as anything that needs a little bit of zest. For this project, you'll need yarn, scissors, a darning needle, and a crochet hook. Let's start our foundation. Like most projects, we're going to start with a slip knot. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a circle. Let's begin round 1. Chain 6. This will count as our first double crochet and chain space. We are going to crochet into the circle here. Double crochet 3 times to create our first cluster. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 2 times. Slip stitch into the top of the third chain from the beginning of the round. If you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Now that we've completed the first round, you can see that the triangle has started to form. Round 2. Chain 3. Double crochet 2 times. Chain 3 to form the corner of the triangle. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. This will help the triangle lay flat. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the top of the third chain from the beginning of the round. Round 3. Chain 3. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 1. Double crochet twice. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of the round. To finish our project, cut the yarn, pull through, and weave in the ends. Congratulations! You've just mastered the granny triangle. I hope you had fun following along. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Your support helps grow the channel and I can't wait to share more patterns with you. Keep those hooks moving and I'll see you in the next video.